My name is Shema Amide. I'm the managing director of Ames Boat Tours. I was born in 1991 in Kigali, but since 2000 I live in Kivu. I used to be a teacher of mathematics in secondary since 2014 to 2018. Lake Kivu is a lake that has about 2,700 square kilometers. It touches only in two countries, Rwanda and the Republic Democratic of Congo. It's the biggest state of Rwanda. I've got idea from our homeboy. He told me that his father used the canoes, but if you may be having an opportunity and you buy an engine, that could be a good idea. Oh, I thought about it. I discussed it with my father. Okay, you can try. I go to the bank, I got a loan. Yeah, that's how I found myself in tourism. Yeah, by this time we use the engine that give the gas, but I prefer in the future see myself having the boat with the solar energies to protect the environment, and even to see that the communities are gaining something from my company.